नमस्कार दोस्तों, ज्ञान ओपी चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो आपसे मिस ना हो। तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल टेल यू अबाउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इन इंडिया, इन कोलकाता, इंडिया. So let's start. So first of all, we will see about the living cost. So 4-person family monthly cost is approximately 86.082.21 rupees without rent. A single person monthly cost is approximately 24,439.70 rupees. Cost of living index in Kolkata is 1.08 and rent in Kolkata is on average 19.21%. So if we compare the cost of living of Kolkata to the world, so it is cost of living rank is 529th of 556 cities in the world. So Kolkata has the cost of living index of 26.09. So now we will see about the restaurant cost or the food cost. So meal expensive restaurant is 200 rupees. Meal for two people mid-range restaurant 3 course is 1000 rupees. McDonald's meals is 300 rupees. Domestic beer that is 0.5 liter draught is 140 rupees. Imported beer is 280 rupees. Cappuccino or coffee is 124.78 rupees. Coke Pepsi is 29.77 rupees. Water is approximately 11.48 rupees. So these were about the food cost. So now we will see about the market cost. So first is milk. 1 liter milk cost is 47.47 rupees. Loaf of fresh white bread is 25.77 rupees. Rice 1 kg is 51.58 rupees. Eggs 12 eggs is approximately 63.93 rupees. Local cheese 1 kg approximately 367.59 rupees. Chicken fillets is 226.98 rupees. Buffalo round 1 kg 616.07 rupees. Apples 1 kg 139.90 rupees. Banana 1 kg 50.69 rupees. Oranges 1 kg 91.97 rupees. Tomato 1 kg 45.85 rupees. Potato 1 kg 26.05 rupees. Onion 1 kg 31.82 rupees. Lettuce 1 head 23.40 rupees. Water 1.5 liter is approximately 27.02 liter rupees. Bottle of wine is approximately 650 rupees. Domestic beer 146.33 rupees. Imported beer 241.92 rupees. Cigarettes 20 packets Marlboro is 340 rupees. So these were about the market cost. So now we will see about the transportation cost. So one way ticket local transport is 10 rupees. Monthly pass regular price 250 rupees. Taxi start normal tariff 30 rupees. Taxi 1 km normal tariff 20 rupees. Taxi 1 hour waiting normal tariff 75 rupees. Gasoline 1 liter 77.59 rupees. Volkswagen Golf 8,25,000 rupees. Toyota Corolla sedan 16,70,517.24 rupees. So these were about the transportation cost for the Kolkata city. So now we will see the monthly utilities like electricity and other essentials. So basics utilities involve electricity, heating, cooling, water, garbage. For 85 m2 apartment is 2,428.73 rupees. 1 minute of prepaid mobile tariff local, no discounts or plan 1.01 rupees. Internet 60 Mbps or more, unlimited data cable 670.36 rupees. So these were the utilities. So now we will see about the sports and some entertainment. So fitness club monthly free for one adult 1,404.53 rupees. Tennis court rent 1 hour on weekend 669.70 rupees. Cinema international release 1 seat 250 rupees. So now we will see about child care. Preschool or kindergarten full day private monthly for one child is 3,135.66 rupees. International primary school yearly for one child is 1,19,566.18 rupees. This cost is for year cost. So now we will say about clothing and shoes. So one pair of jeans that is Levi's 501 or similar 2478 rupees rupees. This will vary for different products. So one summer dress in chain store Zara or other is 2337.70 rupees. One pair of Nike running shoes is 3623 rupees. One pair of men leather business shoes is 2580 rupees. So now we will see about rent of living. So apartment one bedroom in city center is 12,123 rupees. Apartment one bedroom outside the center is 7,166 rupees. Apartment 3 bedroom in city is 32,273.44 rupees. Apartment for 3 bedroom outside the city is 16,816 rupees. So if you have to buy the apartment, so this price is also given. So buy apartment price is price per square meter to buy apartment in city center is 90,661.80 rupees. Price per square to buy the apartment outside the city is 41,653.56 rupees. So these were the apartment buying price. So now we will see about the salaries and financing. The average monthly net salary is 28,481.82 rupees after the tax. So mortgage interest rate in percentage yearly for 20-year fixed rate is 8.90%. So prices in Kolkata, this city had the 4,000 entries in the world. So that is all for today, guys. If you like the video, so like, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you want the video, if you want the video on specific city, so please comment down. I will make the specific video on it. So thank you for watching the video.